Hi guys, how y'all doing? It's me again, Roshani here again with another video. I am heading back home. It's been a long day for me. I'm not yet quite there yet because I just came from a vacation and I feel like I can't believe I'm back to work, y'all. Yes, I am back. Yes. So I am getting ready to catch the bus or probably walk to the train station because sometimes I don't have the patience to be waiting on this bus on the weekends, y'all. And it's not as hot as it was in Tampa, Florida, y'all. So, yes. So, guys, today's Saturday. God is good. And I'm just heading to, the train station or the bus station once I find out how long this bus is supposed to get here. But yes, so let's go.
Never stood up, never got in your way. Never talked back, never thought that I would change. Didn't know how to be strong. I was barely hanging on, thinking if there's a light inside, why can't I turn it on? Kept it all in till it cracked under your weight. I promised myself I would end it, no debate. And I know it's hard to take, but I just can't stay the same. Tired of letting you in this game. So do your worst, baby, I won't break. I've been doing better, yeah, I'll be alright. Go ahead, do your worst, baby, I won't break. I've been doing better, yeah, I'll be alright. Kept it all in till it cracked under your weight. I promised myself I would end it, no debate. And I know it's hard to take, but I just can't stay the same. Tired of letting you in this game. So do your worst, baby, I won't break. I've been doing better, yeah, I'll be alright. Go ahead, do your worst, baby, I won't break. I've been doing better, yeah, I'll be alright.
Guys, I got here around 5:30. I did some kitchen chores, had to put some food in the fridge, some corn, some cantaloupe, some potatoes. I did not feel like recording that, y'all. Like, yes, and then I did some cleaning a little bit there and here. I got some food in the I got some potatoes boiling on the stove. I got some hot dogs for the kids, and because that is what they want to eat. And yes, I'm tired, guys. Like, I'm still not yet here. Back to normal, okay? But I'm about to go take a shower and come eat and just call it a day because I'm tired, like, seriously. So
Said I'm grateful, grateful.
grateful, yeah, I'm grateful. Grateful, yeah, I'm grateful, oh Lord. Grateful, yeah, I'm grateful, I'm grateful. I ain't got no reason to be hateful. Hair and nails paid for. I'm so thankful. Put you through some things I know that was quite painful. Grateful, yeah, I'm grateful, yeah, I'm grateful. Yeah, God gave me everything that I prayed for. Just what I pray for, oh Lord. Just what I pray for, oh Lord. Grateful, yeah, grateful.
My dinner, not breakfast, dinner, y'all, dinner. So the kids are eating their dinner. So I told y'all they having some hot dogs and their choice of bread. So yes, so I'm making my scrambled eggs, and I will also add some potatoes in there. So I'm frying my eggs and add potatoes, and also add some ketchup. But yo, I did not add the ketchup. So anyway, so I thought about the ketchup after the fact of me starting to eat my food. So y'all not gonna see the ketchup on the video. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog so far. If you are, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you do watch this video to the end or like halfway through, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel, y'all, because according to the analytics, y'all, I have so much views, but I'm not having subscribers. I don't know why, but y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel because it's free and it helps me out a lot. Thank y'all so much for your support.